So, dear my friends, and welcome you all. Welcome to my channel. So, today I am going to make unboxing and making my personal review on a tricycle. So, this can be used for 1.5 years to up to 5 years. Kids can be used. So, I ordered this by my lovely daughters. Presently, she is 1.5 years old. Okay, and this having some of the additional features if you are having kids 1 year or plus. Okay, for 1 year, some tricycles are very difficult to uh, use for a small kids, but this having some handing grips so that this can be used by a smaller kid also. Even after up to 1.5 to 5 years, it can be easily used. Okay, and you will come to know about the material quality, and also I will tell you the assembling procedure, how it can be connected. Okay, so I ordered this from the Flipkart. So in the description I will provide the links. You can go only in Flipkart, it is available, or you can directly go to their website to purchase this product. So the brand name is, it is a Little Oliva. There are different bands, but in the previous case also for okay, yeah. So here is the unboxing. You can see what are the different products are available in the box. So installation support. There is one letter. Please visit your YouTube channel. Please visit our YouTube channel and select the video applicable for your product. Please scan and use the QR code below. So for installation, there is an video. We can go and as per the instruction we can assemble. Okay, so we provide installation support on WhatsApp chat and or free replacement of damaged or missing parts. Please contact. Okay, so this is the condition we have provided in this sheet. So this is an handle, first item, having a red color. This is a red color. Actually, I ordered for black color, but they have sent me red color. This is another having one replacement. Anyhow, I don't change because even I like the red also. Okay, so one by one, all parts I will remove now from this box and I will keep down. Okay, so you can see that how my kid also enjoying. See, enjoying lot. Okay, and this is an seat cover. No, it is an seat having cover also included in this. This is an box for carrying some tools for the kids. It will be there in the back side. So wheel one. So this is an parent control. Okay, this will be used to control the vehicle. So any elder person can control this. And this is the front wheel having a pedal along with this wheel. So now there is another wheel, two rear wheels, one front wheel. Okay, that's it. So having this is an chassis, and this is in additional to that we are getting this one. Okay, so if your kid having 1 year or more than 1 year, so here by holding this they can sit comfortably in the vehicle. Okay, so these are the some of the important items, and so now we'll start assembling all this one by one. Okay, first I will try how possible to me. After that I will go to some of the video instruction so that it can be done. So first hold your cases. Okay, so before that, before if you have purchased, try to make a video so that whatever the product damages, it will be visible so that you can apply for replacement or uh, changing the product. Anything can be possible. Okay, you should have the proof of recording. If possible, you can go for photo also. Yes. So it's an metal. Okay. So the thickness is good for the metal. It's not so lightweight metal. It's having a good strength in the material also. As in the instruction it is mentioned, hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes for assembly. For removing all this cover, it is only taking 5 to 10 minutes. These bubble sheets. Okay. This is the one. So it will be hold like this. Okay. And here, this one is for pedaling. Not pedaling. This is for to foot support. Okay. If this is like this, so this can be used in the bottom portion. Okay, so there is a knob here. If you press the knob, I think it will come down. We'll see later that. So anyhow, this is final one. This will go down. And handle, we'll remove this also. Dimple. This is the connector for parent control. Okay, that is attached with this handle only. So please remove this before the assembling. Okay, so it is mentioned here. first I will remove all the items. So you can see that there are two boxes, and this also I will remove. So in video for this cycle, this tricycle having very less video. Only companies made video on this. So that's what I thought of making video so that it can be helpful for others who are buying this product. So because company won't provide all full details.